Hey, it's you I'm speaking to right now. It's no coincidence that you're hearing these words, nor was it by chance that you clicked on this video. I am the Lord. I know your heart deeply, and today I decided to bring you to this moment, this small refuge of peace. I've seen the days when your weariness seems greater than hope, when each night takes forever to pass and the answer you're seeking seems too far away. But listen, nothing is hidden from my eyes, no sigh is ignored in my kingdom. Even before you thought of giving up, I was already here, waiting to embrace you, to whisper in your ear, my son, my daughter, I am with you. Sit down for a while or stand if you prefer, but be comfortable because now I want to speak directly to your heart. Take a deep breath, feel my presence there with you, wherever you are. No matter the noise around you, this is our time together. I see your hidden tears, the unspoken fear, the weight that insists on bending your shoulders. All this I know deeply. You don't need to wear masks before me. Open your heart. Allow yourself, at least for these few minutes, to listen unhurriedly, to receive without fear. Yes, perhaps you question, find it difficult to believe. I understand. Doubt is part of your journey. But I give you a challenge. Stay with me until the end of this message. And then tell me in the comments if it wasn't I, your God, who brought you here and spoke to you. Because today, I promise, what I declare about your life is meant to renew, heal, and transform your tired path into a new beginning. Now listen carefully. I, your God, have promises written especially for days like yours, for exhausted souls, for overburdened hearts and anxious minds. My first promise, come to me, you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Matthew 11:28. It's not an invitation for some, it's for you. When everything weighs heavily, don't run from me thinking you're too weak. It's precisely in this state that I embrace you without reservation. My rest is relief that doesn't fail. It's deep renewal, not just a pause. Feel me touching where only you and I know. Here, there is no demand, only acceptance. Bring to me what weighs you down and drop it at my feet. I want to, I can, and I will lighten your burden. My second promise is strength for those who have no strength left. Have you ever felt like you've reached the end of everything? Well, I assure you, I give strength to the weary and increase the power of the weak. Isaiah 40:29-31. No, my son, my daughter, it's not imagination. Understand, when others only see weakness, I see space to act. It's in your exhaustion that I give wings like an eagle's, that I renew your walk and your hopes. You may feel groundless, but I am the one who sustains you. Keep going, even with small steps. Your limit is the beginning of my action. I hold you with my power and don't let you collapse alone. Third promise, I am close to the brokenhearted. Psalm 34:17-18. That tear, that lament that only you know, every whisper between sobs, I receive them. You have never been alone, even when you felt that no one saw your pain. Every time you called out, even in silence, I heard. My heart bends toward yours. My presence surrounds you when the weight of brokenness is too much to bear. I collect your tears. They aren't lost. They are seeds before me, and at the right time, we will harvest renewed joy together. Fourth promise, my peace. I give you my peace, not as the world gives. John 14:27. Perhaps the noise outside tries to drown it out, but here inside, in the intimacy we now share, I declare calm. My peace doesn't depend on circumstances. It is refuge, an invisible wall protecting your heart amid the storm. When everything seems confusing and answers don't come, just remember, I am your comfort. Feel that peace resting upon you, calming thoughts, slowing your anxious chest. My peace is a daily gift. You just need to ask, simply trust. Now listen. even more carefully. Daughter, son, I am guiding you toward a greater purpose, even if you don't understand it right now. Here is my 5th promise. All things work together for good to those who love me. Romans 8:28. Nothing you have lived through, felt, or cried over is wasted before me. The pain, the waiting, even the failures, I interweave it all, transform it, and convert it to good. Often, I use your waiting time to teach you to trust, to mature, and to see my work in the details. Trust my process, even if it seems too long. I, the Lord, do not waste suffering. In due time, everything will make sense, and you'll see that even weariness brought you closer to me. Don't fear the dark valley or the prolonged silence, because I bring the 6th promise. Even though you walk through the valley of the shadow of death, fear no evil, for I am with you. Psalm 23:4. When fear tries to freeze your path and loneliness seems to invade your home, know this: you never walked alone. I am present in your backstage. Call on my name, for I am a shield over your life. Darkness will never have the final word. I, your shepherd, lead and protect you with each step, even when your strength wavers. Don't be discouraged, for my eyes are always upon you. It's time to open your heart to my 7th promise. I will supply all your needs according to my riches in glory. Philippians 4:19. Not just what is visible to others' eyes, but everything, absolutely everything you lack, be it peace, direction, material provision, or comfort. I am the God of abundance. Don't worry about the future. Trust. I will open paths where it seems impossible. I will send unexpected resources and heal areas you thought were lost. I just want your trust. Rise each day believing I, the Lord, take care of the smallest details. Now I recommend, close your eyes, breathe deeply, and take hold of each promise. Tell me now where it hurts, where fatigue has already won. Feel me healing your interior, renewing thoughts, washing your soul. I pour new courage over you. I rebuild what was in ruins. Never believe that your prayer went unanswered. I am the one who listens to each one, even the most silent. My love covers your failures, restores your strength, and prepares a new time, full of surprise, provision, and joy. Child, don't let fear rob you of hope. Stay strong. Whenever you need to, come back to hear these words. They are for you. They are my living letter to your heart. I want you to know that I see each step. Believe in your story, and I celebrate with you the victory that is already coming. Be secure in me. Don't let go of my hand. If this message spoke to you, share it with others who are weary, because through your life, I can reach even more hearts. Leave your testimony here. Come back whenever you want. I'll be waiting. And remember, follow my ways and stay connected to the Paths with God family. I promise my love never fails, and your journey will be filled with mercies renewed every morning. May the blessing of the Father, the Son, and the Spirit rest upon you now. Amen.